Today, we are going to unbox and review the Fosmon wireless Bluetooth mini keyboard. Let's get into it. Here we go. Bunch of number 3s. And here it is. Now, there are many brands that carry the same keyboard that look identical to this. So the only reason why I bought this one because it was the cheapest and it was going to come the soonest. So let's get into it. On the back here it says, warning, to avoid danger of suffocation, keep this plastic bag away from babies and children. This bag is not a toy. So clearly I shouldn't be playing with this. Okie dokie. Pretty nice box. Honestly, it's a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. So that's my first thoughts. Even though I saw the comparison on the webpage. If I can open it. Uh-oh. Should I just slide outside the other end? Okay, so here we go. Comes in a plastic case. And here it is. Yeah, this is a lot smaller than I thought it was going to be. It's not necessarily a bad thing, but comes with a micro USB to charge it, and here's the user manual. Nothing too extraordinary there. How does it feel? Well, it doesn't feel that bad. The pushback on the buttons feel good. This mouse pad's a little weird. Feels weird. It's got an on, off and on switch. So before I can give it any other score, I guess we're gonna have to try it out. Let's do that. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is set this up. let's go to settings, devices. My Bluetooth is on. This is the mouse that I already have on. So let's go to add a Bluetooth device. Then what I want to do is turn this on. Got the light here. I think I gotta press this Bluetooth button, which is what it says on the manual. I'm guessing it's this right here. And there we go. Done. Now that we see that it's working, let's test it out. Let's go to Notepad++. Enter. This is me. Whoops. Typing on the Bluetooth. Bluetooth. So it's not that bad. My only gripe is I wish that these buttons here were on the top. It just makes more sense. Why would you have them? Why would you have it here? It's nice that this left one is the left click, because then you can left click and hold it, but I wish it was up here. Let's turn off the lights and see how good the back light is. Okay, that's not bad. Let's turn the brightness down off on my laptop. That's pretty good. It's pretty clear. The backspace button's a little dark, but that's not a problem. So, yeah, not bad. The whole purpose of me getting one of these Bluetooth keyboards is so that I can use it with a single board computer. But let me tell you, after using it for a little bit, it was trash. The issue was, even when the SBC had Bluetooth on, I had to manually go to the Bluetooth menu and try to reconnect the device every single time, which made the keyboard unusable. So I ended up not using the keyboard. Instead, I ended up getting another mini keyboard. This one had a USB. I won't do an in-depth unboxing of it, but this one I actually really like. The buttons are nice, the mouse pad is nice, and it even has a laser pointer. So I'm going to use this one. So there you have it. Even though the Bluetooth keyboard didn't have any inherent flaws, for this review, I'm giving it a 3 out of 5. The USB keyboard was actually superior in every way, and it had a cool laser pointer. So for that, I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. And that will conclude the Easy Channel's first tech review. Both these products will be in the description below if you're interested. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you're new here, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks again, and see you soon.